Welcome to YouTube Success, Views, Subscribers, and SEO Mastery. In today's digital world, anyone can upload a video. But real success on YouTube requires strategy and skill. This course will help you unlock those skills using proven and up-to-date methods. It teaches the three most important areas of YouTube growth. Views, getting people to watch your content. Subscribers, turning viewers into long-term supporters who come back for every video. SEO mastery, making your videos appear in search and recommendations so more people can find them. This is the combination that leads to real long-term success on YouTube. Why this course matters. Most beginners struggle because their videos get very few views. They gain no subscribers. Their content doesn't show up in search or suggested videos. They don't know how the algorithm works. They upload without a smart strategy. This course fixes all of these problems. We will unveil strategies for robust YouTube growth. You'll learn to increase your views, boost your subscriber count, and master SEO. You will discover techniques that many top creators do not openly share. You will learn how to attract real viewers. You will learn how to convert those viewers into loyal subscribers. You will learn how to optimize for search ranking. You will learn how to monetize your channel with reliable methods. We will begin with the fundamentals. You will understand how the YouTube algorithm decides which videos deserve more views. You will discover how watch time, retention, and click-through rate affect your success. You will learn how to structure your content to hold attention from start to finish. You will see why some videos grow quickly while others disappear. Next, we will explore powerful tools used by successful creators. You will learn how to analyze channel data properly. You will learn how to find trends early and take action at the right time. You will gain confidence in improving performance using data, not guesswork. Then we will focus on getting your first views fast. You will learn how the first 24 to 48 hours determine your video's future. You will learn how to signal value to YouTube so your videos get pushed to more viewers. A major part of this course is YouTube SEO. You will learn how to choose keywords that people are actively searching for. You will learn how to optimize titles, descriptions, and tags correctly. You will learn how to appear in search results and in suggested videos. This will give you a repeatable system for growth. We will also focus on thumbnails. You will learn how to design thumbnails that demand attention. You will learn what makes a viewer click instantly. As you grow, we will help you build a strong subscriber base. You will learn how to keep viewers coming back for more. You will discover what makes content go viral. You will learn how to motivate viewers to share your videos. We will also explore monetization strategies. You will learn how to earn money beyond simple ad revenue. You will explore multiple income opportunities using your content. Finally, you will learn how to use AI tools to work faster and smarter. AI will help you generate ideas, write scripts, and optimize content effectively. By the end of this course, you will have a complete system for growth. You will know how to increase your views. You will know how to gain subscribers quickly. You will know how to improve search rankings for long-term success. If you are ready to stop guessing and start growing, you are in the right place. You are about to learn the strategies successful YouTubers rely on every day. Let's begin your journey to YouTube success. Unlock the hidden techniques to truly thrive on YouTube. Stay tuned with us. Watch the next lesson to get started. Thank you for joining us.